It's supper time and tails are wagging because they're filling up bellies and they're very happy. You see how full the tummies get around here. This is what we do right now. We eat and sleep. Even Mama sleeps when she's feeding them. These puppies have gained almost 300 grams in their first 3 days. First 5 days? First 5 days. I don't know. Tons of weight these dogs have put on. So they're growing very robustly. This is number 3. He was the third born. This is number, whoops, no. There's number 1 there, chocolate brown. Number 2. Number 11. Here's number 5, sleeping beside number 8. And that's number 10 under there. Oh no, I think this is, no, this is 10 right here with the black patches. Come on, camera. Come on, camera. With the black patches around her eyes. So cute.
The one with the ribbons.
Yeah. Number 6, I think.
That's number 9.
Oh, number 9. There's number 4. His rusty copper color. Gorgeous. You hear the cacophony in the background. They're all so happy. Look at these tails.
Happiness.
These could be your happy puppies. Or take 1 or 2 or 7. Whatever you like. Whatever you have room for and whichever number you'll be able to keep forever. Right, Chuckies? That's how we do this. Okay. Enjoy the tail wagging and have a great night. We'll see you soon. Sleepy puppies.